NKK Switches LB Series on and start illuminated push buttons offer user-friendly control that is durable in tough environments. The LB Series switches are offered with a laser-engraved legend in bold black font, and they include a super bright white LED that provides full-surface illumination of the button, allowing for easy readability in any lighting condition. The switches are IP65 rated and feature an additional splash cover as well as epoxy-sealed terminal for enhanced environmental protection. They feature a momentary snap-action contact mechanism that provides responsive operation with audible and tactile feedback to the user. NKK Switches LB Series illuminated push-button switches are rated for up to 3 amps and have a minimum electrical life of 100,000 cycles. The 22mm bushing mount design minimizes depth behind the panel and has combination terminals for flexible installation.